Food Firsts.
How much do you know about the history of some of your favorite foods? Do you know when people in England started cooking curry dishes? Do you know in which country pizzas or hamburgers were first made? The facts might surprise you. Many people think the English found out about curry from people in India in the 1600s. In reality, wealthy English people were eating dishes made with curry spices hundreds of years before British ships traveled to India. Cooks of wealthy English families during the time of King Richard I were making curry dishes, and in fact, the word curry can be found in an English language cookbook as far back as 1377. As for pizza, this dish was probably first made in Persia, what is now Iran. The Persians were eating round, flat bread with cheese in the 500s. That was nearly 1,000 years before pizza caught on in Naples, Italy. Finally, let's look at the truth behind hamburgers. Many people think hamburgers are an American food. However, according to some stories, hamburgers came from Hamburg, Germany. A German named Otto Quaz created the first hamburger in 1891. 4 years later, German sailors introduced hamburgers to Americans. Where foods come from isn't nearly as important as how they taste, as long as they are delicious. So, go get some of your favorite food and dig in.